Hey, I'm Hegita. I'm a major shareholder with 300 shares. In a shareholder nation, the major shareholders are the most important. What are you planning to do to the major shareholders? Both shareholders and stockholders can walk away. Sunio. If we don't stop soon, Sunio will end up remaining Sunio.
Hey guys, welcome to BlipCut cartoon series. I used an online AI video translator called BlipCut for all the translations in this series. I'd like to recommend an online video translation tool for its one click. Now let's see how it works. Click the green button to upload a file by dragging it. A pop-up box will appear, allowing you to select your preferred setting for the translation, such as voice and target language. It offers human-like AI voices, voice cloning, and ChatGPT translation capabilities. Once confirmed, click the Translate button and wait a few seconds. The translated video will appear here. Click on it, and you'll see the translated video on the right-hand side. On the left, you can edit the translation sentence by sentence.
Did you forget again, Nobita-kun? No, I did it! We agreed that those who forget would have to stand up, right? That's precisely why I'm standing up now. Oh, I see. Then just stand behind me as you usually do. What? Sir, it's really terrible. Grandpa solemnly said he would actually go through with it. Sorry, I didn't really think you would actually decide to come over.
That wraps up this video. We greatly appreciate it if you stay tuned. Catch you in the next one.